Hello, it's Orit here. Welcome to another video on the Estetino Artist channel where we share all kinds of tips related to helping you make more money online and grow your brand. So in today's video, we're going to talk about YouTube hashtags specifically and what they do and how to choose them. I actually see YouTube hashtags as an opportunity because right now, not very many channels are using them. Just like any other social media platform, using hashtags allow you to classify your content or categorize it in a certain way so that it makes it easier for the viewer to find your video, and it can also help you attract more views. Now, I just want to say though that this using YouTube hashtags does not supersede, or it's not a priority above actually optimizing your videos with proper titles, proper tags, proper descriptions. That stuff will matter a lot more in terms of helping you rank in the search engines and helping attract more views. YouTube hashtags are just basically a way that makes it easier for viewers or users of YouTube to navigate through content. Because if people are searching for that hashtag, and they do, people actually type in hashtag whatever in the search engines. If they type that, then they'll find your videos. And also when they click on hashtags from other videos, they are able to stumble upon your video as well if it has the same type of topic. All right, so how do we use them? How do we know what hashtags to use? Let's take a look at one of our videos here so I can show you an example. So this video, one of the videos that we recently released, was on how to understand YouTube traffic sources. By the way, we talk a lot about YouTube and how to grow your channel, so if you're interested in sticking around for more videos like that to help you grow yours, then please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to make sure you get those notifications. So there's a few places that you might see the hashtags on other people's videos. You might see them in the title. You might see them landing on top of the title over here. And you also will see them in the description. So we like to put our hashtags all the way on the bottom here, but you can put them anywhere within your description. And when you put them in your description, they actually become hyperlinked. So someone can click on one of these hashtags and it will take them to a page with all other videos that have used that same hashtag. And this is one of the ways how people actually discover your content as well. So typically when you put your hashtags here in the description, like we have them here at the very bottom, they will show up at the top of the title. The reason why you don't see them show up here is because we've marked down the location, the recording location of our video as Vancouver. So we like to indicate the location of our videos because it also helps categorize your content for geographic location. We like to cater a lot of our videos to Canadians, and so that's why we put Vancouver here, which is where we're at. And so when you do that, when you put a location, it will prioritize location above the hashtags. If you don't put a location, you don't indicate a recording location, then it will show the hashtags. So something to keep in mind. And it will show the first 3 hashtags that you have used. You can use more than 3 hashtags in your description. We don't typically, we just use 3, maybe even 4. You want to be careful about using too many hashtags in your descriptions because YouTube will not like that. They will see that as keyword stuffing. So how do we decide what hashtags to use? As you can see here, this is how to understand YouTube traffic sources so you can grow your channel. We of course don't use that full title as a hashtag. I've seen that before. Some people will use the exact same title as a hashtag. What you want to do is think of the higher level topic that video fits under. What is the overall category that video fits under? So we put YouTube traffic sources, grow your YouTube channel, and we even used one of our hashtags as our own channel name. So this can really help you in terms of brand awareness. If you're a brand new channel, I would recommend staying away from using the hashtag of your channel name just because that's not really what people are searching for. You want to use these hashtags to your advantage by using 3 hashtags that people are searching for, that people are searching for answers or solutions to their problems, right? They're not necessarily searching for your channel name if you're brand new. So you don't need to put that if you're a small channel, and I would instead swap that out with another hashtag, something like, to use this as an example, hashtag traffic analytics. So as you can see here, they're not very narrow, these hashtags. One way to get ideas for how to find or how to choose hashtags for your own video is the YouTube search. So let's say you're doing a video on, actually I'll do it for one of our videos that we're going to be releasing soon, which is a video on how much money we make per month from ad revenue from our channel. So what I would do here is, what is the overall category, right? It's YouTube money, YouTube monetization, YouTube ad revenue. So I'd start to type in hashtag YouTube, let's say, as you can see here, it's showing me all of the most popular or the most often searched hashtags that are coming up that start with YouTube. So if you see something here that's relevant to you, then go with that hashtag. I don't see anything here so far. So let's just continue to put money, or you can see here monetization, right? So let's go with something like this, YouTube monetization. So for that video, I would use YouTube monetization. I could even also use, let's see if ad revenue. So I typically go with the hashtags that are actually coming up in the pull down menu here. If it's not coming up, like I'm typing in ad revenue and it's not, then I won't go for that hashtag. You want to leverage off of highly searched or most often searched hashtags here. I'm going to click into YouTube monetization. Here is another way. If you're typing in your own and they're not coming up, here's another way to find more ideas. Click into an existing hashtag that you have found and look for ones that are, because it will put together all like videos from most recent to years ago. These are actually all pretty recent, but you might find here that are some few years ago. So let's look at this first one here, something more recent. Click on one of the most recent videos. Entrepreneur brand logo was that have quite a bit of views, and just leverage off of that. So you can see here, he has used YouTube monetization, he's used YPP and 2020. So none of those are really relevant to my video. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at the next one. So I'm gonna go back. Let's see what she used here. All right, so she used monetization, she used small YouTuber. So I as well can use monetization as a hashtag because my video is about how much money our channel makes. She put small YouTuber, but let's see if we can find something else. I'm gonna go back here. Let's actually try finding something else here. So I'm gonna go hashtag. We can come at it from another angle and go how much YouTube. All right, so you can see here some relevant hashtags I can use. How much YouTube paid, or how much YouTube paid me. So I can use that as one of my hashtags. And let's click into here and see if we have some related hashtags as well. Let's see here, how much I earned in 2020. All right, so here's something that's more relevant to the video I'll be releasing. He used how much YouTube paid me, how much YouTube paid, make money online. So those are some ideas that I can take from. Again, I'm only going to use 3. And the whole idea here is that I'm going to leverage off of what other people are using. But keep in mind, this isn't just because you use those hashtags doesn't mean you're going to see a slew of views come in. You really have to pay attention to your SEO. Titles, proper titles matter, proper tags, your descriptions. And if you want to learn more about how to do that, how we have managed to grow our channel only using YouTube SEO techniques, so it's all organic traffic coming to our channel without spending a dime on paid advertising, then please go down to our description and check out our course. We created it for you. We really want to help more YouTube channels see success and growth. So please do check that out below. That's it for this video. Hope you all have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.